Hi friends, I am here with a new exciting video which is about the new platform of Blackbox AI. Blackbox AI basically provides you the encryption like if you can see the first line, the all models, all agents end-to-end encrypted. Encrypted mean if your device give the prompt to any agent or any model, it will first encrypt your prompt and then pass to the model. After getting the result, give you the result on the screen. But main thing is even if you can see the picture below, your device encrypted first, it will encrypt your prompt and then the black box will read the encrypted data and give you the model, give to the model like the suitable model will be selected and then run the task and give you the results. The main points are here: one inference path of for every coding agent, Claude, Codex, Blackbox, Grok, and every other model on the platform, encrypted from your device on the model and back with the customer managed keys, and zero data retention. Not even Blackbox can read your prompt completions. The main companies are connected with this platform. The major countries are connected with this platform, and now you can see in the below, same model, 3x faster and 3x cheaper. What thing make it the 3x faster and 3x cheaper? The artificial analysis independently benchmarked 7 providers serving the same open weight models. NVIDIA and then Blackbox rank 1 on all 3 axes at once: output speed, time to the first token, and blended price. All are here in the black box, same weight as everyone else. We just serve them faster or less. Okay, any agent, any model, one encrypted layer. And, if you can go to the pricing, here is the pricing details like Pro. In the Pro version, full AI power for $10 per month. In the $10 per month, you will get $10 worth of the latest model from XAI, Anthropic, OpenAI, and 400 plus models. Unlimited free agent request. You can request unlimited requests and give the results according to your demand, according to your task, but in just $10. In the $20, you will access the many more, and like worth of the latest model, like the same plus 200 models, unlimited free agent request, access to multi-agent executions, access to app builder, coding agent like IDEs, web, and then terminal. Everything will be there in the $20, and the remote agent for data analysis, priority access during the peak time. In the peak time, which model should be used, and which model can give you the result better according to your task. And then Slack integration, auto refill. If you go to the Pro Max model, Pro Max subscription, enterprise power, it's only in $40, which is enterprise power. It's too much cheaper as compared to the other models. You can compare with the Queen or DeepSeek or any other one. Okay, and then for $40 worth of the model Xcode, Anthropic AI, and the 400 models, unlimited free agent request, which is same. Team collaboration features is here in the $40, and centralized billing and management. This one is additional, and advanced security control, SAML, SSO, priority support, usage analytics, and reporting. All things are here in the $40 only. Okay, all of the stuff is mentioned here, but you can see there is no free subscription here, but I can show you the method where you will get the some models in free, and these models will be free all time. You can open your directory, and I can select this directory and open the VS Code. VS Code, I am opening the VS Code directly. If you don't have VS Code, then you can just search VS Code and then select the first URL Download according to your platform. If you don't have, then you can click to the other platform and select your platform. Download the code space dot command will be run at your terminal or cmd command. Now this is the VS Code. You can just click on it, and to download the extension you can search the Blackbox extension. Okay, it's not a block, it's a black box. And see here, I have already installed the Blackbox agent and coding copilot. So just click to install, it will be installed, and uninstall will be show at your screen like say this. And after that you will see this icon at your sidebar, and then click here. It will be give you the free unlimited agent request. Use Blackbox agent for an unlimited number of free tasks on free models to help you code faster and ship better products. And which model will be free? You can click on it, and here are the free models like Minimax 2.7 and Kimi 2.6. You don't need to run the coding agent in the terminal. You don't need to use any other platform to download and then use the models. You just install the extension and then open your project. Like I can click here and then create a file is index.js file, and I can run the function here, and then const a is equal to 5, and then const b is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. I will return the result like a plus b. Okay, and then I will call the function in bottom like this, and just run the command like node index.js, and it will it should be give the result. It's not giving the result because I return not have any console here. Okay, create the result name variable, and just copy the variable and add the console and paste your result variable in the console. So after that you can run again this command, and result is 9. It's giving you the 9. And I want to change it plus function into the subtraction. So I can just go there and select the model. Please read the file and make the function for subtraction, and then enter. It will read your file and then change accordingly. You can see it automatically run the command and check the result. See, this command is now have created the subtraction function and another variable for the subtraction function. Subtraction result are here, and it's a console. Here is the console, and Blackbox automatically test the command, run the command, and test the results which are perfect and the accurate results. You don't need to be run any command. You just give the prompt. It will make changes and run your project, and you can see real time everything at your screen. Now that's all. You can please run and like, subscribe, and share my video. And if you want anything or any project, please comment at my video. I will create accordingly. Thank you very much. Bye bye.